So I'm back on the highlighting tab, and I'm going to show you how to extract highlights from the document. If we click on the Extract Highlights button here, we have the option to pull highlights out of this document. So in a more practical situation, you could think, hey, I have all of these notes or all of this material that I need to study. Why don't I go through and highlight it? And that way I have a collection of all the material that I need to know in one place. So you can even separate the material by topic by using different color highlights. Now, if there's pictures or diagrams that you need to take, you'll want to extract as image, but as everything we have selected here is currently text, we're just going to go ahead and click OK. So in this new document that comes up, we've got all of our highlights. We've got them all laid out in one place, so makes it perfect as a study guide. We can go ahead and save this if we like. And we have the option to save this as Microsoft Word, HTML, several different formats. But we also have the ability to convert this to an MP3. If we go ahead and click on the MP3 button, that will turn it right into an MP3. But we want to have a look at the options first. So we're going to click on the MP3 menu and go to Audio Output Options. So here's where you can select whether you actually want a WAV or an MP3 file. The bitrate of the MP3 file, which will be the audio quality and consequently the size of the file, and also the formatting of the page, whether you want to just leave it as is or if you want to arrange that. Typically for notes, we can leave it as is because that will already be formatted information. Most importantly, where the file is going to be saving to is the output path. We can select a new path by clicking the button and picking a path if we wish, but for now the desktop is fine. So I will click OK on that, and then I can click the MP3 button. There, our file's been converted to an MP3 file. We will look down at the desktop here, and now we see the notes for the book. So that's 1 minute and 17 seconds.
5 dashes page 5. This chapter explains what is necessary to obtain a Nevada driver's license.
So that's been an introduction to the highlighting, extracting, and studying features within PDF Equalizer. You can view the rest of the videos in this series and more on the rest of our products at www.readingmadeeasy.com. Thanks for watching.